ka na makipag-usap ko.
Hey guys, so today
Tulog. Naghihilig.
sino?
Si Murphy.
Tingin vape.
So, bawal yung vape dito. So, we got
Hindi ko pa palabasin.
lychee, Cartico. Saan daw? Order natin yun. Gusto niya na. Sabi na tuldo ko.
Paano ako?
Ay, gusto. Ayun na lang.
The seafood. Okay. How spicy? Spicy. Medium.
Medium, okay.
And then spicy raw crab. The combo.
Okay.
Ano? Ano ba soup nito? S2?
S2, oh sorry.
S2?
S2.
How spicy?
Wait.
Mild. Mild.
Also, how many people can like share for the extra?
So, we got this. Oh, sheesh.
Thank you.
And then, this thing.
Kasi alam mo na ba't harang barang?
Wala tayong smoke.
Para saan? Ang sarap! Sarap!
Sarap yung yung masasabi for today. So, we just finished eating. We just finished eating ECD and it was really good. It was only like $6 to $8. And I think it was worth it.
Really good.
With, we got the combo, so definitely worth the try. It was my first time too. Mark, ito gamit kong serum for like
Ay,
patatlong bottle ko na bili ako ngayon.
Para ano ba yung serum?
Na?
Vitamin C, ano?
Hindi, siya yung pinakang main treatment.
After moisturizer?
After toner.
Name music. So guys, today we bought a lot of stuff. The stuff is the questionable things. And the things that we bought.
Isa pa.
One.
Lapit, ganito kalapit ko. Saan ko sa'yo yan?
So guys, this is the stuff that we bought today.
Oh, you guys taking an order?
Oh no, we're just
waiting.
I think the red bean.
It tastes like hot cake. Hot cake. Ang hirap ba nito pakisamahan? Ah.
So hey guys, we're currently waiting for Harvey na late na and our class starts at 8 a.m. and I would say na mauna na kami, but like we love Harvey way too much.
Nagdag ka to, sir. Isa rin din naman.
So we're gonna
Isn't
be,
it cool?
yeah, it's so cool. Ano na, papasok pa ba tayo? Wag na, mag-skip na. Papasok pa, hindi naman makikinig.
Skip na tayo?
7:55 na.
Mas baliktad. Hey guys, so today we're gonna walk to the World Trade Center. Right? 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 We're gonna have fun and we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat a lot of stuff. Oh, really?
So here guys, we... Wala na, brain fog na. Hoy! Saan niyo ako dadalhin? Tayo na niya, hindi naman same reaction. Naka-video pa man
Ay,
din.
naka-video ba?
Oo. Isa pa. Hoy! Saan niyo ako? So yeah, I'm heading to work after this. Because I'm a hard worker.
What can you say about today's lecture?
It was boring.
Loading as fuck.
So, guys, so we got this sago con yellow, and then this is mango, and calamansi. Calamansi! Sorry. So we got meron yung mga tira-tira. Hell no. Hell no. Hell